Hi beauties, welcome back to the channel. I apologize, we've been away for a very long time. I promise that there will be an upcoming video, kind of like a chit chat, get ready with me, with an explanation as to why and what's going on in everyone's life. I do sincerely apologize. But we are back with a fun and exciting video for you guys today. If you did read the thumbnail or read the subject of today's video, you'll know that we'll be talking about what is inside the Morphe mystery bag, I think is what they were calling it. I did get it. I think it came out on like Thursday or Wednesday, and it arrived yesterday, so I'm sitting down today to film it, let you guys know what's inside of it, and also let you guys know of the upcoming giveaway and what we've collected already. It's still kind of up in the air if we're going to do multiple winners, one winners, the launch date and things like that. I will have all those details for you guys in the next video. But as far as today's video, again, we'll just be talking about what's inside the Morphe bag and giving you guys a sneak peek of the upcoming giveaway. Okay guys, so before we jump into that video, as you guys can see, I do have a different background going on, working on different things. I have a bunch of different backgrounds that I ordered. We'll be moving soon, so that'll be a different background that we'll have going on. But right now I threw up some Easter pillows, and then we have our Easter rabbits. These are the same ones, but of course, me being a complete weirdo, I had to make one a girl and one a boy, so they're brother and sister. And they are the Bloomy. So her nickname is Blumpa and Blump E. So they'll be joining us for today's video. So I want to give them a quick introduction, and let's jump in to see what's inside the Morphe mystery bag. Okay guys, so a correction to the statement that I made earlier. This Backstage mystery bag from Morphe actually came out on Friday, and I got it on Monday, so very, very quick. So thank you, Morphe and your team. You guys did that really quick and really fast. Here it is here. It came like this. And then inside of it, I'll just go ahead and open it up because I know this fence is killing everyone. It came in a bag like this. Now, inside of here is supposed to be a $45 value. I think I paid a total of $24. Shipping and handling came to like 30-ish something. So you save about, with shipping and handling, if you're that particular, you save about 15 bucks. If not, without the shipping and handling, you spend about, or you save about 20-ish bucks. So inside the bag, we do get a foundation primer. This is the Revitalizer. See that up close, and I can take it out of the bag too. Okay, exciting. I'm just gonna go through these quickly with you guys, not spending too much time on this mystery bag, but just letting you guys know what is inside of it. This is the Revitalizer, the foundation primer, and you get 20 milliliters or 0.67 fluid ounces. Now, off camera, I have tried this primer before, and I really do like it. So I think it's really cool that they included this. I think the point was just to give you guys a quick bag that you could use, like, if you're going to a festival or party. I know Coachella's coming up, so a lot of people do that as well. And a lot of people, I know it's going to be hot and things like that, are not going to be wearing foundation, maybe some tinted moisturizer. So a good primer would really help to kind of grab and go. They also gave you the Highlight and Contour Beauty Sponge. It's not really much more. Oh, it says the chiseled edge delivers the ultimate control for contouring, highlighting, baking. Just add water and give it a good squeeze. Pair with your favorite makeup and blend the rules. I actually do have this sponge as well. I do really like it. I'm still really addicted to my beauty blender, the original, so this is a really good dupe for that. I think I love the curve. It's easy to get under the eye, especially if you're baking underneath, kind of like similar to what I have going on my cheeks. The next thing that we have is these cute little lashes. They're called the Premium Lashes, and they're Clotis Premium. I think that's what it says. CILS. And let's see, it says you'll have all the fills for the variety, length, and volumes these romantic beauties have in store for you. And here they are up close. Okay, and then you also did get a lip crayon, which I think actually might be new to Morphe. I don't remember seeing these. You can correct me down in the description box if I am wrong. But here's what it looks like outside the packaging. Here's the packaging up close if I didn't show you that. And you do get 1.4 grams or 0.05 ounces. And it says deeply pigmented, glides on smoothly, stays put wear. And let's see, I think that's pretty much all that it gives us. I don't see a name. No, it just says Morphe. lip crayon. I'm still looking for it. But yeah, it looks like it is just a lip crayon by Morphe. And here's a swatch. It's very soft. And it's very pigmented. So you get those 4 products, I think I mentioned. Yes, those 4 products. And then you get one more item. So in here as well, you do get a very large Morphe, I want to say tote bag, canvas bag. Here's what it looks like. So it's kind of cute for throwing all your things, either you're going to a party, Coachella, or a festival. It's really cute to put all your things in there. I think it's a really good starter. Kind of minimalistic, kind of basic. I think that's what they were going with the primer and the sponge and the lashes and the red lips. Because I'm the type of person, if I'm wearing a very vibrant eye, a very, very muted lip on. So with very minimalistic, you want more of a vibrant lip. So I think that's what the theme they were going for with this collection package mystery bag. So all in all, I do think that Morphe did a good job if you're into very minimalistic. But for me personally, when I'm going out and I'm hitting a town and it's something like a cute little festival that I'm going to, I want a little bit more of glam, a little bit more upkeep. It's just who I am personally. If you're a minimalistic person, then this would be perfect for you. But all in all, I think it was a really, really cute idea. And I mean, for 24 bucks, you really can't go wrong. Guys, so that is what is in the Morphe mystery bag. I did promise you guys a sneak peek into the upcoming giveaway that we have going on. I did order a Jeffree Star Blue Blood palette. I have not received it as of yet, but I do have a palette and a lipstick, the blue lipstick, so that'll also be going into a giveaway as well. But as far as what I ordered from Morphe, I ordered the 35M Boss Mood, the palettes, and you get a lot of ingredients, get a lot of product inside this palette. It's 56.2 grams or 1.98 ounces. Sorry if it seems like I'm rushing in this video too. I just stopped working a job and then I have to go back to a second job in like 10 minutes. So I apologize guys, but I really wanted to get this video up for you guys because I missed you guys. And you know, the Morphe bag, it came so quick, so I'm like, I have to get this up and let you guys know the upcoming giveaway. So here's what the actual palette looks like. Again, I'm not going to actually swatch it or touch it, but I want you guys to see what you're getting. So this is again the Boss Mood 35M Boss Mood. Pronunciate. If you guys haven't seen this already, I know a bunch of people love this palette, but if you haven't seen it, here's an up close look at what it is. This will be going into a giveaway for you guys. Again, the Jeffree Star Blue Blood, the Jeffree Star, what's it called? Now I'm like, the lip kits, I think that's what they're called. The mini velour lip kits. I hope I'm saying that correctly. But if I'm not, I'm pretty sure one of you guys will correct me down below in the descriptions. Sorry guys for being rushed again, but I really wanted to get this up for you. So that'll be going into the giveaway with the Jeffree Star stuff. And then this is the other palette that I got from Morphe, which is really, really cute. I saw it was a very big favorite of a lot of different people. It is a 24G Grand Slam, and this one is even bigger. You get 84 grams or 2.96 ounces in it. So again, we'll open her up. We're not going to swatch her. We're not going to do anything like that because again, I wouldn't want to win a giveaway with something somebody had swatched or touched. I guess just personally for me. Okay, so here's what she looks like up close. She is huge. You can see in here the very big pan size that you get. That is huge. So this will also be going into a giveaway for you guys as well. I'm going to go ahead and put her away so that I don't get her damaged or dirty. But that's what she looks like up close. And then also too, I'll insert what we already have collected here for the giveaway as well. So we have a bunch of things, like I said, Jeffree Star, Morphe, Urban Decay, we have some Too Faced in there. We have a ton of stuff. Also guys, on a side note, just before I end out this video, do you guys watch Game of Thrones? Do you? Are you a fan? It's coming out, oh my gosh, I can't believe it, April the 14th, I believe that's a Sunday. Anyways, my point to that is because I'm a Game of Thrones lover. and I'm a makeup lover. And their Urban Decay is coming out with the Urban Decay Game of Thrones collection, and oh my gosh, she's $250, but she looks so cute. There's like a palette in it, and it has like your own Iron Throne. Just for that, I might buy it. I don't know. Let me know down below if you want to see a review of that. I know there's a bunch of them up there already. Nikki Tutorials did one, and a bunch of other really famous YouTubers. I don't get it in PR. I have to buy these things by myself when they actually do release. So if you do want to see me do a review on it, let me know down below. If you're a Game of Thrones lover, let me know what you think. I think there's a bunch of different lipsticks, lip liners, and there's like a lip tint or multiple use tint. I got a little bit of a sneak peek into it. I don't want to spoil it too much because I want to be surprised if I do decide to order it. But let me know what you think down below. Also, let me know what you think about the collection, the giveaways, what your thoughts are. Alright guys, so that will wrap us up for today's video. Thank you so much for watching and listening to me ramble on and talk extremely fast. I apologize for that. A lot more videos will be more chill. We'll have more videos coming up, more details into why, you know, the absence and what we have going forward. But thank you so much for watching again. Remember to stay beautiful and remember to always stay sexy as well. We'll see you in the next one, guys.